Are you ready to become a trailblazer in AI? Do you want to master the revolutionary technology behind chatbots, AI driven apps, and smart systems? Welcome to the cutting edge world of LLM development, where you can secure your future as a certified LLM developer and embark on a journey that will redefine the way industries interact with AI. This certification program from Global Tech Council is designed to empower you with a deep understanding of large language models, LLMs, and the limitless potential they hold in transforming businesses worldwide. From learning the basics of natural language processing, NLP, to mastering the fine tuning and deployment of advanced AI models, this course will elevate your expertise in creating intelligent, language driven applications. Why should you enroll? By becoming a certified LLM developer, you will be stepping into a future proof career where innovation is at the core. This program positions you as a top tier expert fully equipped to solve real world challenges, enhance user experiences, and drive AI innovation in a variety of industries, from tech to healthcare, finance, and beyond. What do you get? Lifelong access to cutting edge course materials and exclusive resources, 24/7 expert support, ensuring you are never alone on this learning journey. A prestigious certification that opens doors to global opportunities in AI and machine learning. Ready to dive into the future of AI? Don't wait. Enroll today to become a part of the elite circle of professionals shaping tomorrow's world through large language models.